Okay, I am going to show you how to make a face mask from fabric, and I'm using a cotton barrier cloth that I also use in my business to make protective pillow covers. So it's just a tightly woven cotton, and I'm using 2 layers. So the first thing you're going to do is, with your 2 layers together, starting about 3/4 of the way down on one of the long edges, you want to do a back stitch and go almost to the corner. And then I've pre-cut 2 pieces of polyester elastic, 6.5 inches long. So you're going to place one end of elastic right in the corner, in between the 2 layers. And you're going to sew over the elastic, back stitch a couple times, and then turn the corner. Sew until you're about 1 inch away from the other corner. Open up your layers. Put the other end of the same elastic in this corner, making sure that you don't twist the elastic. Again, back stitch, turn. Now stitch the long edge. You're almost at the end. Grab another piece of elastic, put the corner in, stitch, turn, grab the other end of that elastic, put it in the corner, turn, and you're going to leave about a 2 to 3 inch opening for turning. So back stitch, trim your threads. Now, with that opening, you just turn it right side out. Gently tug on your elastic to pull out each corner. Now at this point, you can press all your edges. Stop it for a second, I'll grab a pressed one.